Review of the Ocuprime Vision. What are Ocuprime supplements, exactly? Ocuprime's new product is a healthy and safe vision medication that has been proven to improve eyesight and clarity in clinical trials. This remedy is made up of a powerful combination of natural herbs that target the source of eye disorders, infections, and other ailments. Ocuprime capsules may be able to help people who have lost their vision. It'll only be a few weeks. This substance helps your system activate normal immune system processes to fight vision thanks to its all-natural elements. Elements of degeneration. Supplemental advantages of occupation. Your eyes will be repaired if you take vitamins. It shields your eyes from a variety of infections. It improves natural vision. These supplements help to safeguard your retina by strengthening the cornea. This supplement also shields your eyes from the sun's ultraviolet (UV) radiation. Ocuprime supplements ingredients. Bilberry. This fruit's pulp helps to improve blood circulation, relieve eye pressure, and improve vision. Eyebright is a chemical taken from a flower that aids in the healing of your eyes and helps to prevent vision loss due to eye illnesses. Grapeseed extract slows the progression of macular degeneration and prevents visual loss in the central vision. Zeaxanthin and lutein. Due to their anti-inflammatory characteristics, these components protect your eye cells from blue light and free radicals, while also preventing eye infections. Lycopene protects against cataracts and macular degeneration, both of which can result in blindness. Magnesium. It is an effective ingredient that reduces oxidative stress and preserves retinal cells, while also improving blood flow. This element's rooting enhances blood vessels and blood flow, which helps to improve vision and avoid eye issues. Quercetin is an antioxidant that protects the lens from oxidative damage and cataract formation. Here's a list of everything you'll need to make Ocuprime. 481 mg of a proprietary combination containing lutein, bilberry extract, alpha-lipoic acid, ebrite, zeaxanthin, quercetin, rutin, taurine, grapeseed extract, and lycopene, according to the label. Vitamin A 100 micrograms, vitamin C 200 mg, 50 mg of calcium and 20 mg of vitamin E, 8 mg of vitamin B, vitamin B8, 8 mg, vitamin B2, 2,400 mg, vitamin B3 is 327 micrograms. Biotin in the amount of 12,800 micrograms, magnesium, 40 mg, zinc, 32 mg, selenium in the form of 8 micrograms, chromium in the amount of 3.5 micrograms. Ocuprime is a vision support and eye health supplement that supports eye function with lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Ocuprime was established by Dan Trout, who used it to help his wife's rapidly declining vision. Doctors predicted his wife's death. In 5 months, she lost her vision, and she had the worst degeneration ever seen. Dan built Ocuprime with the help of a doctor who helped him restore his wife's vision and prevent her from going blind permanently. According to the official website, Ocuprime can assist with cataracts, age-related macular degeneration, and a wide range of other eye problems. Each bottle contains 60 capsules or a 30-day supply of Ocuprime. To help, you take 2 capsules twice a day. Eye Health and Vision. Ocuprime is a supplement that will improve your health, assist you in seeing clearly. It makes use of ingredients such as lutein, vitamins, and antioxidants to help your eyes heal or enhance their condition. It can help with cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, as well as improve your vision, according to the developers. As a result, it's incredibly useful for curing internal ailments and preventing catastrophic issues like lifelong blindness. You can learn more about this product or buy it if you want to. Please go to the official web page that I left.